Hello. All right, y'all. This is Stephanie Davis Derrick. Just wanted to let you know I'm still here. I'm shaky, but I'm here. I'm coming on live. As you can see, I have the oxygen. I'm sitting up, but I won't be on here but a moment. I just wanted to thank everyone for their prayers and their thoughts, and just keeping me going. I'm getting stronger every day. I have my oxygen thing, and also it's telling me when I get up if my heart rate goes too high or too low. So I have that going on. I tried to go live on my computer, but it wouldn't allow me to. This is mainly for my mom, so people can see me. I know y'all don't know, but just so you'll see. Sorry. I hit something on. Something got hit on my computer. I don't know what. But however, just letting you know I'm here. I know you can see how the oxygen has changed my color up. My heart rate is kind of running high. So a little bit because I'm sitting up. So I'm going to lean back because it feels better to lean back right now. For the ones who don't know what actually happened, if you read anything that I have posted, just note that I have stayed away from people. I have not been out in the public. I work from home, but my daughter ended up contracting the COVID from her workplace, and it waltzed into my home. I did try to do all I could for 9 days on my own, but it got too bad and I couldn't breathe and I couldn't drink and I couldn't swallow. So once that happened, I had to go to the hospital because I was becoming extremely dehydrated. Even making this conversation is kind of hard right now. Hello, Kenneth. Good to see you. But the COVID is real, for the ones who don't know, and I did everything possible not to be surrounded because I already knew I had respiratory issues. So having those respiratory issues, I already knew that if I contracted anything, it may be worse than normal. But due to you all's prayers, y'all's thoughts, y'all's energy, it has kept me going. I have been able to move. I'm only on 2 liters of oxygen, so which is still, that's like really, really good because there's some people who can't even be released from the hospital due to their oxygen level. I have been able to move around, even though it's limited, but I am walking to the restroom on my own. I'm doing all of those things. I'm doing a breathing thing. I don't know, it might be I might have some hospital people in here. But I have this thing I have to breathe in. And it helps with my lung capacity, especially since I have pneumonia in my lungs now. So it helps. So I blow in that thing. So it helps. And but if y'all can hear my voice, 2 weeks ago I couldn't use my voice. I couldn't. It was too weak. I had no voice to use. So I know it seems a little shaky and stuff, but it's I'm so much better than I was. I promise y'all don't want this. You don't want this, I don't care what you do. My phone is tripping. I don't know what's up. But you do what you do. You mask up. Try to keep everybody safe because you don't want them getting something like this. It's really, really hard on the body. It is done. I don't know. I can't even explain it, y'all, because I've never been through anything like this. But I'm here, and I promise you that positive energy I've put out, y'all have brought it back to me 10, 15, 10,000 fold. I'm not kidding you. It is the only thing, I swear, that got me through. And I know I will live and not die because it is not time. I still got 3 books to finish. Okay? I got music to write. I got things to do. And I got people to help. And I got things, hey, this is just how life is. And look, there's been some people, they done been down this road. You know that. Y'all done been through some stuff. And what don't kill you will make you stronger. I promise you that. And I know I ain't been singing much. I couldn't sing, but guess what? I can sing a little bit, just a little bit. Something comes on. The song that's helped get me through is, it just says, through it all, I've made it through another day's journey, 'cause God's kept me here. So, and that helps me. But I just wanted you to know that I'm still here. As they say, the song says, I'm still here. And I know I look a hot mess, but please know you will look like this too if you ain't combed your hair in 21 days, okay? I'm just telling you what I know. So, I mean, I know I look a little rough around the edges, but the deal is I needed to come on so people will know I'm really, really still here, seriously. And prayer changes things. Prayer saves you. It helps you. But I'll show you this thing again. I need to put it on. It's just for my oxygen. My oxygen, so you know that I actually can breathe. I'm at 98%. As long as I'm sitting, even though it says it's 83, I'm okay. The numbers do go up when I get up, but it's best that I try to do something. I'm trying not to have blood clots in my lungs and in my feet and stuff, so I have to get up and move. But I've been moving, and like I say again, I thank y'all for y'all's prayers, and thank you, Lolita. I said for 21 days, my hair been up. I had a bushel. I don't know what I done, but I done made it through. But I'm telling you, due to your prayers and everything, y'all have had me very, very calm. You know, some people would be really living in a state of fear, but I did not have that. I never did, not even one moment did I have a state of fear to go through my mind. I didn't, because I just knew it's a test for another testimony at some point. And you don't know what you may have to go through. You just don't. I did everything right, y'all. I did everything right. And it still got me, okay? So I'm just telling you, you just get out there and just still live, but do it cautiously. Just be cautious. And, you know, I appreciate y'all all. I didn't think people loved me. I didn't. When you be in this house, you don't think people care, but my God, do they care? like something I never knew. I never knew this kind of outpouring of love. And my family has been majorly supportive. And y'all pray for my daughter because she's 23 and she don't want to grow up. But baby, she had to grow up. She had to. She had to take care of her mom because her symptoms was mild. And to walk it into the house and to give it to the person that you love the most is so difficult, trying to deal with that kind of thing. So, you know, but she's a trooper. We did figure out she does not want to be a nurse. That's what we figured out for sure. She's like, I can't do this. Can't do this nursing thing. But that's okay. But she's here. But I just want to make sure that y'all know, if it wasn't for your prayers, your thoughts, your positive energy, I don't know if I could have pushed through this the way that I'm pushing. I am getting stronger daily. So I'm stronger daily because I feel it. I'm able to breathe. I'm getting goop out of me. Whatever that stuff is that's in my lungs, it's coming out. So sorry. Something keeps happening over here. I just moved my computer close to me. I have not been on no computer, nothing. But I just wanted to make sure that y'all can hear in my voice, I am here. I shall live and not die, which is my quote every day. So, but in the meanwhile, I'm getting a little lightheaded, so I'm going to have to go. But I just wanted to let you know, Mama, I'm okay. Look at me. Look at me. This is for my aunties, my cousins, all of them, so they can see me. My brothers, I'm okay. I got a bunch of them, y'all, so I'm the only girl. I know I'm looking a little slim thin now, so it's kind of crazy this, but just note, with the oxygen and everything, it does help me. It is still necessary and needed at this time. And I will do what I have to do in order to make it every day. I hope y'all can hear me. I have no idea, in truth, because I'm on my phone. And it is what it is. I will give you updates as I can, but I just wanted to make sure you know I'm alive. I'm alive. And filing for some kind of, I need some disability now, okay? Because, look, working for yourself and you laying here looking crazy, I got to feel something. I got to get something going better. Okay, but thank y'all for your prayers. Continue to pray for me and my daughter, and I will do the same over here for you as well. Thank you so much, y'all. Bye.